mountainside, a rock formation standing with pride. Fresno Dome glowing in the distance, quiet sear air, pure and endless. Knotty-pine and open beams above, rock hard glowing with the golden touch. Bright kitchen warm and inviting, sunroom shining with natural light. Bedroom balcony beneath the pines, covered patio, evening sky, mountain breeze as the daylight dies.
Hi, I'm Lenny Sharp, leader of the Sharp Mountain Homes team of eXp Realty. We're here in the communities just outside Yosemite National Park, and our specialty is helping short-term rental or Airbnb investors invest in our area and build their portfolio of high-performing, cash-flowing properties. So how do we help you? Well, there's a variety of ways, and we have many tools. We also have a 57-page investor guide, which gives you all the tips, tricks, and key information, valuable nuggets that will help you select the area and select the home that can generate maximum profitability. Our latest resource is our Yosemite STR Deal Finder. This is an app that we built on Base 44 based on AirDNA data. We literally licensed all the data for all the Airbnbs in the Yosemite area, and in fact the northern and southern Sierra Nevada mountains, and provide great investment opportunities for you, the investor. You'll see the listing down below. That's the homes.com listing with all the key information about the listing as well as the photos, etc. Along with that, we're going to then take a tour of the property and give you those tips and tricks as we walk the property so you can make the very best investment decision possible. If you're thinking about an STR in our area, reach out to me or any of the members on my team. You can see our contact information on my website, sharpmountainhomes.com, and give us your information, download the investor guide, and use that as the foundation for your search. We look forward to meeting you, showing you properties, and starting you on your Yosemite area STR investing adventure. Thank you very much. Okay, we're at 36870 Mudge Ranch, and this is a Coarsegold address, but it's just over the hill from Oakhurst, not far. Beautiful lot. You can see a couple cars out there, circular drive. The point here is you have got a very nice high beam ceiling with tongue and groove, so you really have that cabin feel. Room is the bedroom, or the living room is sunken a little bit. Looks like they've got a mini split, so not sure what the HVAC situation is. I believe they're central air, but maybe they just brought that in to provide a little cooling for this space. But this is a really nice, great room. And we'll just step down these stairs and take a quick peek at this bathroom. So you've got a full bath on the other side of the laundry room. Also take a peek in the garage, 3-car garage, very roomy, little bonus room behind that. And then let's head up and take a look at the bedrooms. So upstairs we've got 3 bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Let's go ahead and start over here. So one of the secondary bedrooms, not huge but adequate size. And the other bedroom, which has got windows on 2 sides and is a little roomier. And then we have the shared bath here, and tub shower combo. Nicely done, not super modern, could use some updating. The floor is very nice here though. And we've got a very nice, roomy primary bedroom with its own deck. Very large deck, some views through the trees there are the mountains, and we've got this, again, wood ceiling, which adds a really nice ambiance. And then over here we have the full bath for the primary with a sunken tub, nice counters. Again, this nice floor throughout, so that must be a fairly recent upgrade. So 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms upstairs, and then the bathroom down in the utility area. Big roomy living. We have a little, what may have been a screen porch at one time. This could actually be a great spot for a sauna. And then over here we've got the kitchen that kind of opens to the dining area, tile counter, kind of dated counter and cabinets, black appliances, look like they're in pretty decent shape. But yeah, it's kind of a nice open feel. And then off to this area we've got an office which could either be used as additional sleeping or office or video game room if you've got teenagers. So yeah, it's pretty interesting, pretty nice layout. We'll just stick our head outside here. Take a look at some of the outdoor space. And we've got, yeah, beautiful spot for a hot tub if you wanted to enjoy the view. You could thin out some of those trees, which would be nice. And then let's go ahead and walk across the back here and check out this barn, which has got some really nice, interesting architecture. Looks like storage right now. I understand it's got a wood or a dirt floor, so it's not finished space, but I think the potential here would be to turn this into a little studio. We'll just, yeah, you can see the exterior is very cool. See if we can poke our head in here. Yeah, this is pretty roomy. It could be definitely finished out into something that could generate additional revenue. So good sized lot, nice setting. My sense of it is that the bones of the house are really solid and it just needs some updating, so you can budget some upgrades to the bathrooms, potentially kitchen, potentially, and then of course add the hot tub, and you're in business. Nice home. Let's run the numbers and see how it pencils out.
Our mountain homes team, we ride as one, find a right deal.